Yep, it's out of tone.
Alright guys, so we are at Blakedown station level crossing in Worcestershire with Joan Carrow 5. Oh god.
Very out of tone.
There we go. Now that sounded a bit funny. The time is 15:39 on Saturday. Hour 15:41, 2 Charlie 54, London Midland service from Worcester to Foregate Street, Norwich, and hour 15:43, 2 Victor 36, London Midland service from Norwich to Worcester Foregate Street.
I'll see if we got double stakes. The boards would have changed. This one's changed.
No, they're both non-stoppers.
Yeah, but I mean the board says fast train approaching. I'll see if they're both doing it. So here, fast train approaching. Please stand clear. And here we have got... Nope. Looks like we'll be waiting for that one. Joe, it looks like we've only got the one. Yeah. Unless, of course, this board changes now. Nope, looks like we're only getting one train here. 1 minute 42. And here she comes. And we've got 172-345, thank you. 172-345 to Norwich, and thank you again. And up they go. And give her 20 seconds. There we go. And we brayforded.
Station level crossing Worcestershire with Joan Carrow 5.
There we go. 15:43, 2 Victor 26, London Midland service from Norwich to Worcester Foregate Street. That's what I said.
Pardon?
Yes.
Yeah, no, it's just...
Yeah. Blakedown. And Blakedown brayforded. The double B. London Midland. And back onto the station. Here she is. Please stand clear, fast train approaching. And we've got... One 172-341. 172-341 to Worcester Foregate Street, and up they go. 2 closures in one, 2 trains and 2 tones, and thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.